AI agents are now working for you directly in bill pay. They're fully autonomous, understand the context behind invoices, and take action for you. Let's see how they work across your AP workflow. As soon as invoices are uploaded to bill pay, the agent leverages over 60 plus signals to flag for suspicious fraud. You'll get notified directly in the draft bill dashboard and be able to drill into what exactly the agent uncovered. Now, it's time to upload a bill. Once invoices are forwarded to your AP inbox or dropped directly into bill pay, all of the bill details will be pre-filled using Ramp's industry-leading OCR technology in just a matter of seconds. The AP agent takes this a step further and codes each line item for you, creating a zero-touch processing experience. The agent learns how you've coded in the past, along with leveraging the invoice's metadata and vendor information. If the coding logic needs to be updated, you can train the agent to leverage specific parts of the invoice as context for future codings. Simply highlight an area of the invoice you want to use as coding context, and the agent will remember the logic for all future invoices. Next, it's time to pay. The AP agent will flag invoices where the vendor accepts card payments so you maximize cashback opportunities. If the invoice is generated from QuickBooks, the agent will spin up a virtual card and apply the card details within the payment portal for you on the scheduled payment date. You now get cash back with zero manual effort. Users maintain control and autonomy for how they want to go about paying their invoices, from ACH, wire, check, all the way down to utilizing Ramp's business account for maximizing yield and liquidity. Now, your only click is creating the bill. Let's move on to the approver experience. As bills are created and sent off to stakeholders, the AP agent creates an approval recommendation summary, so your team makes fully informed decisions without having to waste time double-checking details. When the agent uncovers discrepancies, the approver will be notified to review the bill and highlight one or more areas that might need your attention. If no issues are detected, the agent will recommend an approval detailing its reasoning against the vendor history, billing frequency, past approvals, and more. With bill pay agents, there's no setup required, and they start working for you as soon as you start paying bills in Ramp.